Hi, I'm Keith Moore. I'm CEO of Pickering Group.
Hello， 大家好。
Ahoy.
Hi, I'm Tom Sarfi, Pickering's North America Business Development Manager.
Production Test Department.
I'm sales manager from Pickering.
The Pickering Group has over 550 employees worldwide, headquartered in the UK with 2 additional manufacturing facilities in the Czech Republic and 5 further sales support offices in China, United States, Sweden, Germany and France.
We've been serving businesses within the aerospace and defense, automotive, medical, telecommunications, renewable energies, and semiconductor industries for over 55 years.
We provide test equipment from component levels such as read relay all the way to a finished article such as a PXI switching card, along with all sorts of accessories such as software support, chassis, connectors, cables.
The thing that is unique about Pickering is that we provide the ability of mass customization.
We have the expertise needed to develop a custom solution to your specifications with little to no engineering cost.
Pickering's strength lies in exceptional long-term customer support.
Because we manufacture our products in-house, we are able to provide you with guaranteed long-term support and low chance of obsolescence.
We are reactive, with fast turnarounds from the initial customer inquiry to designing, manufacturing and delivering.
When you buy a Pickering product, you're not just buying a product itself, you're buying our knowledge and technical expertise.
But most importantly, our live customer support is local and very responsive, which is also unique in our industry.
This is just part of the Pickering brand, which is deeply rooted in a culture that I often describe as very employee and customer centric.
Pickering has also built a great reputation for product longevity, product support, which goes beyond our guaranteed warranty period. For example, our Aldous platform we still support till this day is almost 40 years old.
And that's us, Pickering Group. Been working worldwide for over 50 years, serving the needs of our customers, solving their problems, and sharing our experience in switching, automatic test, and simulation. We look forward to working with you in the future.